A parenting time conference is a joint meeting of the parents with a family court parenting time specialist. The purpose of the parenting time conference is to hear the request of a parent regarding changes to the current parenting time order and to determine changes that may need to occur. Can I have a parenting time conference? Yes. To have a parenting time conference, you must file the motion regarding parenting time with Circuit Court records. Motion forms are available on the Family Court website. Be sure to read and follow all the instructions on the motion before you file it with Circuit Court records on the 6th floor of the Hall of Justice. Motions may be denied if they are not properly filed. You are ordered to go to the orientation. Since 2005, the court has ordered parents to attend the orientation. If you have not attended in person or completed the online orientation, you will need to do so prior to your parenting time conference being scheduled. If you do not attend or complete the orientation, your motion will be dismissed. Information can be found on the Muskegon Family Court website regarding the orientation. Once the motion is filed with Circuit Court records and you have attended or completed the Parents for Life orientation, Family Court Services schedules a joint meeting of the parents with a parenting time specialist. The parenting time specialist will assist parents in decisions regarding the frequency and duration of parenting time, while keeping in mind what is in the best interest of the child. Even though you may be a great parent and think more time with your child is good for you, it is the court's responsibility to assure the frequency and duration of parenting time is what is best for the child. Parenting time is the frequency and duration of time a parent is responsible for their child, and whereby a child can establish and continue a relationship with their parent. There are two forms of parenting time. There is specific or reasonable. Specific parenting time is specific days and times the child is in the care of a parent. For example, alternating weekends from 5 p.m. Friday through 5 p.m. Sunday. Or there is reasonable parenting time. No specified days and times the child is in the care of a parent. The parenting time will be by agreement of the parents. Family Court Services cannot enforce reasonable parenting time. Holiday parenting time is the duration of time a parent is responsible for a child on a holiday. The holiday takes precedence over the regular parenting time schedule. There are three options for holiday parenting time. 1. Alternating holidays. The parents will have the right of holiday parenting time every other holiday throughout the year, with the time specific or by agreement. The holidays throughout the year are New Year's Day, Easter, Memorial Day, July 4th, Labor Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, and New Year's Eve. Or, second option is to split holidays. The parents will split specific holidays with specified times the child is in the care of a parent during the holiday. Or, option 3, holidays by mutual agreement. There are no specified holidays the child is in the care of a parent. The holiday parenting time will be by agreement of the parents. If the parents agree on what is the best interest of the child regarding parenting time, the family court specialist drafts a legal document called a stipulation in order for parenting time for them to sign. The signed stipulation and order will be given to the judge to review and sign. Once signed by the judge, The stipulation in order is the order of the court for parenting time. This order is in effect until changed by another signed parenting time order. If the parents do not agree on what is in the best interest of the child regarding parenting time, the family court specialist drafts a document called a recommendation in order for parenting time. This recommendation is mailed to the parents for their review, and the parents may object within 21 days from the date of mailing of the recommendation. If the parents do not object within 21 days of the date of mailing, the recommendation in order for parenting time will be given to the judge to review and sign. When signed by the judge, the recommendation becomes the order of the court for parenting time. This order is in effect until changed by another signed parenting time order. When Family Court Services mails the recommendation in order for parenting time for parents to review, enclosed is a notice for entry of order and certificate of mailing. This form has the following information on it. Notice: if there is no objection, the recommendation will be given to the judge to sign. Date of mailing: objections must be filed within 21 days of this date. Objection form: this is used to file an objection to the recommendation. Be sure to give a reason for objection. Sign and mail to Family Court Services. Notice for entry of order and certificate of mailing. Be sure to read the notice instructions. See the date of mailing. Objections must be filed within 21 days of this date. See the bottom of the form called objection. Be sure to write a reason if you are going to object. Sign and date and mail to Muskegon Family Court Services. If you object to the recommendation in order for parenting time within the 21-day period for an objection, Family Court Services will schedule a hearing before a family court referee. You will receive a notice of hearing with a date and time to appear for your objection. This is the notice of hearing with your day, date, and time. Be sure to read all the information and to attend. In preparation for your parenting time conference, view the rest of the presentation and see the importance of cooperative parenting and what children need from their parents. How well do children deal with parents not in the same home? The parents' relationship with each other and their children determine how well they adjust to both parents not being in the same home. The unfinished business of raising children can be productive if the parents are civil and businesslike in their dealings with each other and promote a positive relationship with their children. Do not expose children to your conflict. Find a way to communicate when and where the children are not around. There is no excuse to argue around them. Children are perceptive and always listening. Research consistently shows parental conflict as the biggest problem for children. You hold the key to your children's adjustment when both parents are not in the same home as the children. If you choose to set aside what you hold against each other, your children will be the beneficiaries. Children need relationships with both parents, and parents must do what they can to promote those relationships. Children desperately need parental cooperation. Parents can and need to learn to get along after separation and share responsibilities for their children, even if they did not get along in their relationship. Words of wisdom. No one is in a better position to decide what is best for your children than you. Parenting time schedules typically work better when parents can resolve issues outside of court.